You can now make a booking with me online. If you're wanting to make a booking in person, so an in-person consultation, all you have to do is, come on, head over to my website with me. Go to my website. Here's the homepage. And you can scroll down until you find this blue strip, which has a window showing all of my services that you can book in person. All you have to do is find the service that you want. There's a little bit of information under each one. Click continue. Choose your date, which is any day with a green dot. Click choose your time. Click continue again and fill in your details. And from that point, I'll receive an email alerting me that you have requested this time, and I can confirm it, and then you'll get confirmation, and then we wait for the appointment and you turn up and we meet. It's that simple. In addition to accessing that through my homepage, you can simply go under Let's Work Together and either in-person one-on-one or in-person groups or workshops. Just have a quick look. So color analysis, one-to-one, book me. Takes you to the same form. See? How simple is that? If you need any more information or you'd like to chat further, then send me a message, kate@colourmekate.com.au.